Hey guys, welcome back to Nirvana. Today's pursuit to paradise takes us to Seagrass Villa in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This villa features one bedroom, one bathroom, a living area, kitchen, private pool, and a backyard with outdoor dining and lounge space. Check-in is completely contactless, and we were given a code for the keypad before arrival. As you can see, the living space features a beautiful accent wall and has a large sofa and trunk for storage. The sofa actually doubles as a pull-out bed and fits two. Here is the smart TV and a small entertainment stand that's filled with books and games like Jenga. There's also a phone and pool towels. Am I the only one who hasn't seen a phone with a cord in a very long time? I had to check if it had a dial tone. It did. Anyone else notice I'm getting better at this? If I do say so myself. Just hit that subscribe button. The kitchen features an island with bar stools and is fully stocked with all the appliances and tools that you would ever need, including cooking and eating utensils, crockery, dried seasonings, pots and pans, a coffee maker, toaster oven, and blender, and much more. The only thing I would say was missing was a dishwasher. On the island, we found snacks and a welcome note, along with a folder that had important information like Wi-Fi passwords and emergency contact numbers. They also included restaurant and entertainment recommendations close by. Such a sweet touch. And then right by the kitchen is the laundry area with a washer and dryer and pool floats and tubes. This is also an additional entry and exit to the house. Next up, we have the bathroom, which features a single basin and standing shower. Soap, shampoo, and conditioner are also provided, as well as additional tissue and a hairdryer. And lastly, the master bedroom. It features a king bed, an office desk and chair, an oversized mirror, has a smart TV, and also has direct access to the beautiful backyard. Here's the closet filled with additional pillows and blankets, an iron, and an ironing board. So they have lots of unique pieces. Look at this caged mirror. So cool. The closet wasn't the largest, so I love that they provided additional storage. And then, ladies and gentlemen, the backyard. This backyard is absolutely beautiful and actually features a decent amount of yard space, has an outdoor dining area, a gas grill, lounge chairs and an umbrella, and of course the pool. They added a foam crocodile to scare the iguanas away. As you can see, this lizard didn't care one bit. Here we have the other entrance to the backyard from the side of the house. It is just as beautiful at night back here, as the backyard is well lit from the pool to the uplights on the trees. For breakfast, we ordered from a nearby restaurant called Michael's Cafe through Postmates delivery service. It was pretty good and fast. We did also bring our own groceries to the villa and had a barbecue using the grill. It was the perfect backyard for entertaining, and we even did yoga one morning. And now for my overall rating. First up, price for value, 4 out of 5. So Seagrass Villa is $189 per night for a max of 4 guests. With the cleaning fee, service fee, and taxes, it went to about $300. So that's a pretty big jump in fees, but taking into consideration the location, the size of the backyard, and the private pool, I still think the villa is priced well. Location, 5 out of 5. So the villa is in a great location in Fort Lauderdale, and it's in close proximity to a lot of restaurants, bars, parks, shopping, you name it. As you can see from the map, it is only 8 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale Beach. One other thing I forgot to mention is that the property is actually a duplex, and so the neighboring house is a 2-bedroom villa that's operated by the same hosts. This villa also has its own private pool as well, and the adjoining fence in the backyards can be opened to join the yards together. So this is a great option for larger groups or for a big family who wants to book both villas. Because it was occupied, I was unable to do a tour, but based on the Airbnb pictures, it looks very similar in design, but just has an extra bedroom and it fits a max of 5 guests. Service, 5 out of 5. The hosts really paid attention to the small details, which I loved. From the private welcome message to the snacks and bottled waters they provided, they definitely went the extra mile to make us feel welcomed. Food and chef, 5 out of 5. So because a chef isn't included with this villa, this rating is entirely based on the restaurants that are in close proximity to the villa, as there are just so many good options. As I mentioned before, we used Postmates app for food delivery, and there were a plethora of restaurants nearby. Some honorable mentions within 9 minutes of the villa are Ruth Chris Steakhouse, the Foxy Brown, YOLO, Serafina, J. Mark's Restaurant, the Capitol Grill, Morton's Steakhouse, Royal Pig Pub, and good old IHOP. Cleanliness, 4 out of 5. So we were overall pleased with the cleaning service that was provided prior to our arrival. Communication, 5 out of 5. Again, the hosts Ron and Jill were very nice and extremely thoughtful and helpful whenever we had any questions. And the overall score, 28 out of 30. Would I go back? Absolutely. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you loved it, please share and turn on your post notifications. On to the next pursuit. Thank you so much for watching.